Welcome back, everyone. So right now, let's go ahead and add the pop-up to the website. We're going to use a specific plugin called Hustle. So look for Hustle. And it's actually this one right here with 100,000 installs. So install it, wait a second. And then, of course, after that, you can activate the plugin. This is a very good plugin. It enables you to create a pop-up for free. And that's something that not many websites or not many plugins enable you to do. Now, by the way, I can do that with Elementor, but I just like this plugin for convenience. Now I can scroll down here. Where exactly is it? Hustle. There you go. Click on settings. Now, once you go to settings here, you can create your first pop-up. Now it's actually not from here, right? So I'm going to scroll down, click on pop-ups, and then scroll, click create. Now this form, we're going to say pop-up form. Email, choose template. Now here you have different templates that you can choose from. Now, to be honest with you, I'm going to choose this one right here. On preview, it looks pretty good. So this is how it's going to look. Obviously, we can change the image, we can change the background text, but it really looks good. All right, so, and you can also see how it looks on mobile. So this is how the website is looking on mobile, by the way. It absolutely needs some improvement, some mobile optimization, which is something we're going to do. We're going to improve it for mobile experience. But let's first of all create the pop-up. So here, I'm going to close this down, choose this template. There you go. And now let's start the real work. So here, the title, it says, "Are you excited?" Actually, we should change this. I don't want it to say, "Are you excited?" I want it to say, "Subscribe to get the latest workouts and tips." Now, subtitle, learn, become an expert in working out by keeping in touch. And then right here, we have this particular image. I'm going to delete it, upload a new one. So let's go, for example, here and look for some image. Now we can basically add one from the library. So perhaps I kind of like this one of the Marines. I'm going to use that. Now make sure you click publish first of all, in order not to lose the changes, because if you don't publish and if you click on preview, you'll lose all the changes. Now here, don't miss the chance to get the latest tips and tricks, the latest bodybuilding tips and tricks. Now here, if I scroll down, the call to action, just one button or none. And if I scroll down here, no thanks, I'm not interested. Actually here, where is the button? I need to change it because the button says something I don't want it to say. So I'm going to update, preview how this is going to look. This is what this is looking like. Looks pretty good, but here, this gift card, we want to remove that. So obviously you're going to have to find a way. Now here, call to action, one button. Okay, no thanks, I'm not interested. All right, so here it doesn't really tell me where, but just gonna skip it for now. Click on emails. Now here, we just want the email field. That's it. That's the only thing we can collect. And here I'm gonna click this, edit this field, and subscribe instead of win the gift card. Apply. Now if I scroll down, thank you. To basically thank them for subscribing. Enable auto downloadable. Right, so let's say for example you want to give them a PDF. You can click right here, enable auto downloadable file after submission, and you can attach a specific PDF. For example, let's say you can go here. I'm going to pick a PDF just to show you. So for example, I have some PDFs here, that SEO PDFs that I prepared. Hopefully they are still here. If not, then I'm just going to look for PDF. Just look for PDF here. Come on. So I'm going to look for this file here. All right, so I've inserted that PDF, and now when people subscribe, this PDF will be downloaded instantly. And this is how you can give an ebook to these people. Now, it's just that you need to change your image. Remember, we added the image of the Marines. Instead of that image, add your image which has a picture or a mock-up of your ebook. Now, you can send an automated email after somebody subscribes by saying, "Well done," for example, or hire ChatGPT to write it for you. You can say to ChatGPT, "I want to write a subscription email message that I will send automatically to people that subscribe." You can even add an email subject line. I'm not really a proponent of this because this pop-up that I'm building here, I'm not doing it to give a downloadable file, but in case this was for an ebook, or in case this was falling, or I would say this is a funnel, then I would definitely do it after I give people the ebook, because some people might forget where they placed the ebook after they download it. Some people might not even know if they have downloaded it. And in some cases, some people might not even get the file. So even if they click subscribe, they might not be able to download the file because maybe there's some antivirus basically stopping the download. That is the reason why it's also great to send these people an email in case you are operating a funnel, okay? Now, applications here, local list. I'm going to click, well, first of all, click update because I don't want to lose changes. And I'm going to click here to open the integrations in a new tab. And I'm going to scroll down. So here we have MailChimp. Click on MailChimp. Now, I need to enter the API key. So obviously, I'm going to have to go MailChimp, get my API key. I can use the same API key, obviously. So view the dashboard. I can use the same API key that I've used previously. Click on Profile. And then scroll down. Actually, not that. Click Extras, API Keys. I can just simply scroll down. Oh, where's the one that I created today? April 29th. This one. Or I should just go and create a new one, so possibly that's better. Create new key. Let's say Popup, Fitness Bolt, generate, copy, come back, paste your key, identify yourself by something, a name, Popup form, for example, connect. So now MailChimp is going to be connected, and you can go back right now to your form by simply here going to the pop-ups, not slide-ins, actually I want to go to pop-ups. And once you go to pop-ups here, you have to go to the active pop-up and edit it. So here is where you can edit it. Now, because you've saved your changes, you will find the pop-up is still there. And if you click integrations, now I can just scroll down here and click emails and then click integrations next. Now you'll see here that MailChimp is definitely connected because we've done it. So you can see now connected apps, MailChimp. You can connect any other website or any other email provider like Aweber, ActiveCampaign. There's a lot of providers. Just choose the one that works best for you. And also they have different pricing in different ways. So it depends. Integrations behavior, allow already subscribed users to submit the form. Actually disallow. So I'm only going to allow people that are not subscribed to submit. Okay? Because if someone was already subscribed, then if they subscribe once more, I'm just going to get a ping every time they subscribe. I'm going to have to do an extra work. Now here, as far as the layout is concerned, this is not really very important, even though you can go and modify it if you want to. Now, here's the real deal. If you go next to the visibility rules, now here we have different visibility rules. Now you can add a condition. So if I click here on condition, now you can choose when you want to basically show the pop-up. Now I'm not going to do this just for now. I might change my mind a minute later. Now here, schedule, set a schedule when you want to show this post. So I want to show the post after 3 seconds. 3 seconds is way too low. So possibly 15 seconds after people come to the website. And also I want to show it when people scroll 80% of the website. And I want to show it when people try to exit. So whenever someone is trying to take their mouse to the X button, I'm going to show a pop-up that's going to aggressively stop them from clicking the X button and is going to prevent them. Well, they can close the pop-up, but we will bother them an extra bit so that we can basically get them to, give us their email address. Now you can schedule your pop-up from here to appear every day or on a specific dates or specific times of the day, but I'm not going to do that. I'm going to click on visibility here. And I want to go and add a condition. So I want to show my pop-ups on all, right? And now here, show all. Now if I click posts, actually here, let's just show it on all. Add conditions. No visibility condition. Okay, so we're going to have to add one by one. Posts, pages, landing pages. What is that? My templates, archive template for the builder, post template, tag, categories. Categories as well. We need to show them here because we have a lot of categories or category pages, and add these conditions. So now the pop-up is going to show on all those categories. All right. So that's that. Click on update. There you go. We have finished. So we can now preview how this is going to look like on our website. And this is how it's looking like. This is also how it's going to look like on mobile. So it's not bad. It doesn't really need to be edited. But the website needs some mobile optimization, which is something I'm going to do next. But I think I'm satisfied with the way it looks right now. So now I'm going to take the link of the website and I'm going to head to a incognito window. And then, of course, paste and enter to have a full experience of how the website is. So without further ado, let me scroll down. Let's wait 15 seconds here, or just scroll down to 80%, because that's also a trigger that we added. Right, where are you? Where is the pop-up? Okay, it's not showing up. Let me go back. X, update, behavior, scroll down. Scroll down here, save changes. Actually, right now it's just a matter of time before the pop-up is going to work and be operational. Now, if it doesn't work, it doesn't mean it's not going to work now. Just that it needs a little bit of time. So in that case, probably going to just click on one more page, and if we don't see the pop-up yet, we're just going to go and optimize the website for mobile until changes propagate. Let me try to click the X button here. All right, it doesn't work just for now, but we've done everything right, so normally it should work. So this is how you build your pop-up form on your website, and see you in the next lecture where we're going to go ahead and optimize the website for mobile.